fuel cells going to internal. External tank camera being activated at this time.
Hello? Hey, yeah,
hello.
ATC, PLP, no unexpected error. Copy that.
Good. I already started crying.
2 minutes sounds right.
Flight crew, OTC, close and lock your visors and initiate OT flow. That's it work.
T-minus 2 minutes.
DLS is go for ET, LH2 pressurization.
Solar rocket booster camera is being activated.
Yeah. Is everybody super excited over there? Is everybody super excited over there?
T-minus.
Yeah. Now, can you guys hear the? Yeah. Can you guys hear the launch commentary and all that stuff?
Now, suppression water system is being armed.
Okay. Okay, good. I just can't believe it.
T-minus 1 minute.
Can't believe it. Yeah. I know, I bet.
Oxygen and liquid hydrogen fill and drain valves are closed.
Holy cow, yeah.
T-minus 40 seconds, handing off to Atlantis' computers at T-minus 31. T-minus 35, 33,
Clock will hold at T-minus 31 seconds due to a failure.
I don't think they can.
and we have had a failure.
Oh, no.
Red lock sequencer.
The GOG 3 track switches.
Hold.
And NTDSP. Go ahead. Yes, sir. We need guys to go do the verification per the LCC, please. All right, CMAC.
Yes, CMAC. The LCC says we need to verify using a camera, and we're positioning camera 62 right now.
Okay, let us know as soon as 62 is swung over and you can verify LCC for GVA retrack, please.
Wait, what'd you
And all
say?
personnel, we're holding here 31 seconds while we for the verification that the GVA
Yeah.
has fully retracted
Yeah.
for our pre-plan.
This is CMAC. We verify retracted.
Verify that it is fully retracted per the instructions that we've been that we developed, correct?
That's correct.
All right, and SPE? And NTD, SPE concurs. They set aside the requirements of GSC 13 pre-plan contingency on go. Okay, I copy. And launch director.
Yes, sir. I heard all that and concur. Press on.
All right, very good. NTD, SP? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I need concurrence to GLS and NASA to clear the hold, please. Very good. And GLS? You have concurrence? Go. Copy that. It's at work.
Can you see the
Thank
clock
you.
from where you are?
Complete. NTD, we have it at work?
All right, guidance.
My heart's going like a million miles an hour.
Just a reminder for folks, our last been back full time is 3 minutes and 16 seconds. NTD, CTLS on 212, we're ready to go. All right, very good. And launch director, with that cleanup, we're going to go ahead and proceed. Yes, sir, please do. All right, and all personnel, we are going to pick up the clock here momentarily. On GLS, you can resume the clock on your mark. Copy that. Countdown clock will resume on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.
T-minus
Auto sequence start.
and off to Atlantis' computers has occurred. Solar rocket booster nozzle steering check and work.
20.
Firing chain is armed.
15.
Go for main engine start. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7,
6,
5. All 3 engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0, and lift off. The final liftoff of the space shuttle. America will continue the day.
Roger roll, Atlantis.
final time for the start of a sentimental journey into history. 24 seconds into the flight, roll program complete. Atlantis now heads down, wings level on the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Space Station. Reducing stress on the shuttle until the final time. Revving up, standing by for the throttle up call.
Are we gonna get this here? Oh! Holy cow!
Atlantis,
Oh my God!
Call from Captain Barry Wilmore, a transducer, instrumentation only, no action required. Atlantis now 15 miles in altitude, already 16 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center, 1 minute 40 seconds into the flight.
Oh, there it is. There.
Atlantis flexing the muscles one final time. Atlantis traveling almost 2,600 miles an hour, 21 miles in altitude, 24 miles downrange. Standing by for solid rocket booster separation. Booster officer confirms staging a good solid rocket booster separation. Guidance now converging. The main engine steering the shuttle on a pinpoint path to its preliminary orbit. 2 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight. Atlantis already traveling 3,200 miles an hour, 35 miles in altitude, 50 miles downrange. The propulsion officer reports the orbital maneuvering system engines have ignited. Atlantis kicking on its afterburners for 1 minute, 23 seconds for the final phase of powered flight.
Atlantis, 2 engines down. 2 engines down.
A call from Capcom.
Day, so in the event of contingency, you're in-plane plus 230 on the ecal page. No comm DIs and you're ready to copy. Okay, in-plane plus 230, go ahead. Press the ATO, 10.8. Press the MECO, 14.7. Press the ATO, 10.8. Press the MECO, 14.7.
That's a good read back, Atlantis.
That's the other one.
Because of the slightly late launch time, Captain Barry Wilmore reading up to pilot Doug Curley the updated abort boundaries for Atlantis, which is flying on the singular power of its 3 liquid fuel main engines, draining a half a ton of fuel per second from the shuttle's large fuel tank. 3.5 minutes into the flight, Atlantis traveling 4,200 miles an hour, 54 miles in altitude, already 120 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center.
We can get on the side.
3 good main engines, 3 good auxiliary power units, 3 good fuel cells for Atlantis.
Atlantis, negative return. Negative return.
The call from Capcom Barry Wilmore indicating that we're too high in altitude, too far downrange to return to the launch site in the event of an engine failure. However, Atlantis' 3 engines performing perfectly. 4 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight.
You're good.
Atlantis currently traveling 5,500 miles an hour, 62 miles in altitude, almost 200 miles downrange. 4 minutes of powered flight remaining. Atlantis speeding straight as an arrow toward its fate with the International Space Station Sunday morning. Coming up on the